Hey, everyone. Are you ready to take flight into the realm of modern warfare's most enigmatic? Brace yourself, because we're about to delve into the world of the Beta Spirit, an aircraft so shrouded in secrecy that it seems almost mythical. Stay tuned, because today we're pulling back the curtains on the tailies of this stealth wonder. We'll navigate through its evolution capabilities and the jaw-dropping feats it has accomplished. So if you've ever wondered what it would take to dominate the skies with an unparalleled edge, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Let's start with some cinematic footage of the B-2 taking off or flying. As we pan across the runway, you see this jet with a low, sleek design soaring into the sky. You might be wondering why this plane looks like a flying saucer. Well, that's just the beginning of the story. In a low and serious tone, voiceover or text appears on the screen that reads, "Silent, invisible, deadly. Meet the Beta Spirit, America's most secretive stealth bomber." The Beta Spirit is an American long-range subsonic strategic bomber developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force. It has a flying wing shape designed to evade enemy radar, and it remains largely invisible to detection systems. When you think of fighter jets, they usually have two separate parts: a fuselage where the crew sits and wings on the sides to help the plane fly. But this plane is different. It's one piece with no distinct fuselage or tail, and it looks more like a flying wing. The main part of the plane is a single-piece delta wing with no tail assembly. This design makes it very stealthy because it reduces the amount of radar reflections, making it harder for enemy radars to detect. The Beta Spirit was built to be one of the most stealthy aircraft ever made. Its skin is coated with a special material called radar-absorbing materials, RAM, which absorbs radio waves used by radar systems. This coating helps to hide the plane from enemy detection, making it a real stealth wonder. The Beta Spirit's flying wing shape also allows it to carry large explosive bombs and missiles deep into enemy territory. In fact, it can travel up to 11,000 kilometers without having to refuel, crossing entire continents without leaving a trace. Now that's what I call stealthy. Here are some more key facts about the B-2 Spirit. It has a maximum speed of around 1,010 kilometers per hour, which means it can fly faster than most other bombers. And it has a range of over 11,000 kilometers. This means that it can travel from the United States to Europe without needing to stop for fuel, making it the perfect platform for long-range strike missions. If you're interested in learning more about the inner workings of this incredible aircraft, check out our previous video where we dove deep into all the details. But for now, let's focus on the B-2's combat capabilities. The Beta Spirit is designed to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. Its bomb bay doors can open wide to release multiple bombs or missiles. The plane can carry up to 27 tons of munitions and release them accurately even when flying at low altitudes. That's a lot of firepower. Now, let's watch a dramatic scene of the bomb bay opening and closing. This is where it gets really interesting. Just imagine the destructive power hidden within those bays. When it comes to combat, the B-2 truly stands alone. Its ability to penetrate enemy airspace undetected and deliver devastating payloads makes it a force to be reckoned with. It's been referred to as the ultimate stealth bomber for a reason. The Beta Spirit boasts an impressive service ceiling of 15,000 meters, meaning it can fly higher than most other aircraft. This allows it to avoid enemy air defenses and reach its targets undetected. Additionally, the plane's low observability, or stealth, makes it extremely difficult for radar systems to track. Even when the plane is flying at low altitudes, it can easily evade detection. The Beta Spirit has been in service since 1989 and has been used in combat operations in Kosovo, Iraq, and Afghanistan. In these missions, the plane's stealth capabilities were put to the test, and it proved to be a valuable asset in achieving air superiority. Its ability to penetrate enemy airspace undetected allowed it to strike key targets without being detected, and its precision-guided munitions ensured that targets were hit accurately, minimizing collateral damage. Overall, the B-2 Spirit's performance in combat has been nothing short of exceptional. Now let's move on to the production numbers and cost of the B-2. Believe it or not, only 21 examples of this incredible aircraft were ever built, and the last one was delivered in 2008. Each Beta Spirit costs over $2 billion to produce, making it the most expensive military aircraft ever built. To put that in perspective, that's more than the price tag of the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. But considering the advanced technology and capabilities of the B-2, it's easy to see why it's worth the investment. The plane's stealth capabilities, long range and ability to carry a large payload make it an invaluable asset to any air force. The Beta Spirit has a fascinating history, and its development dates back to the 1970s when the US Air Force began to look for ways to penetrate the heavily defended airspace of the Soviet Union. Northrop Grumman was awarded a contract to develop a new bomber that could evade enemy radar and deliver its payload accurately. The result was the Beta Spirit, a revolutionary aircraft that pushed the boundaries of aviation technology. The B-2 first flew in 1989 and entered service in 1997. Since then, it has undergone several upgrades and improvements, making it even more stealthy and effective in combat. The plane's unique flying wing design and advanced radar-absorbing materials make it one of the most stealthy aircraft in the world. Its ability to carry a large payload of bombs and missiles also makes it a formidable weapon on the battlefield. As we mentioned earlier, only 21 B-2 Spirits were ever built, making it one of the rarest aircraft in the world. The B-2 has a small crew of 2 pilots and 1 mission crew member who operates the plane's systems. The plane's cockpit is spacious and comfortable and features advanced avionics and displays. So there you have it, the B-2 Spirit, a true legend in the sky. Its stealth capabilities, power and precision make it a force to be reckoned with. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more exciting content. And hey, if you're still hungry for more knowledge, why not dive into our other videos where we unpack the mysteries of other modern marvels? Your curiosity never ceases to amaze us. Keep asking those probing questions because your thirst for knowledge fuels our journey.